Hi Owen, how are you? Everything's fine? Yeah? Stressed? Hi, how are you? Everything's fine? Hi, it's Golden Lady. Marat? Malabetz? Hi. Stressed? How are you? Everything's fine? I would like to know, Maya, if you'll be here on a Thursday when I give you the legal document from the Keranot Shotrot. Will you be tomorrow? You don't understand English? הייתי כאן מחר ביום חמישי לשם הצגת דוקומנט מקרנות השוטרות. מרת, עובד מצוין, מדבר 3 שפות. אגב, הם באמת, חבר'ה. תאמר, הזיע? תמיר. מתנת ה-80,000 שקל מכפר קאסם, שנמצאה, כפר יהודי, how are you? כפר יהודי שמצאו. זה מתנה מ-80,000 שקל. חוק המתנות. She doesn't understand English, that's very strange, isn't it? קקטילה. Marat, easy peasy. So it moved to your right, didn't it? That little ringy hobbit. At least they don't lose it. And one ringer will rule them all. Kidding. Tamir is here? Very pleasant guy. I have to recommend. He speaks 3 languages. How are you? So your ring is on your left. They moved it to the right. He touched me, by the way. I'm very busy, Marat. They have a strange trick. Okay. Udachi? גדת גודה תמיר? כן. Da. Okay. There's a Wallahala here. I just have to say to the Queen of Denmark that we found Wallahala. Look at this hair with 3 Arabski terrors in her belly. That's called Wallahala. From Georgia. Everyone is fine, drinking the water. Krasiviashki. Poniedziałek, środa, wtornik, piatica это закрыт. Here we have it. Wallahala. This extortion, criminal. 20,000 shekels extensions of extortion. Criminal. Wallahala. She comes from Jaljulia. She does extortion. Good morning, lady. Have a nice day. I just want to make sure that on Thursday, Maria, on Thursday, מנהלת מאיה תהיה פה ביום חמישי לקבל דוקיומנט מקרנות השוטרות. Ein, Polizei. Have a good day. Drink a lot of water. Hope no one stole my יחידת האופניים מזיכרון יעקב. Marat, success. And we can remember that right hand.